I bet you didn't know breakfast could be this exciting. Say goodbye to boring boiled eggs and hello to 5 yummy morning meals. First up, smoothie bowls. Blend your favorite fruits, toss in some spinach or kale, and top it all with granola, nuts, and seeds. Easy, tasty, and packed with nutrients. Next, overnight oats. Mix rolled oats, milk, and your favorite toppings, then let it chill in the fridge overnight. Wake up to a ready-to-go, delicious breakfast. Third, avocado toast. Mash up an avocado, spread it on whole grain toast, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and add a fried egg or tomato for extra flavor. Healthy fats and fiber? Yes, please. Fourth, chia seed pudding. Combine chia seeds, milk, and honey, then refrigerate overnight. In the morning, enjoy a gel-like pudding packed with omega-3s and fiber. Finally, try a breakfast burrito bowl. Scramble some eggs, add black beans, salsa, and avocado, and serve over quinoa or brown rice. A protein-packed, customizable delight. So, there you have it. 5 exciting and healthy breakfast options to kickstart your day. Which one will you try first? Share your favorites in the comments and check out my other videos for more tasty ideas. Happy cooking!